And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the Civivi Governor. Comes in gray, blue, and black, all with G10 scales, back spacers. Let's show you the knife in a close-up, and then we will go over the specs. Alright, so the Governor is 8.625 inches overall. It is a D2 with a satin finish, plain edge, hollow grind blade, drop point. Blade length is 3.875. Cutting edge is 3 3/4. It's a manual flipper with a thumb stud. The handle is about an inch. Of course, the scales are G10. The back spacer is also gray. The frame is stainless steel Linerlock. It is a right hand or a left hand tip up carry, so it's reversible. We'll go ahead and show you how it opens. Oops, didn't get it all the way there. So there's this one's brand new, so we ain't got that one broken in yet. Well, that's 2 misses there. There we go. I broke my fingernail the other day, so it is not as long as it normally is to flip the thumb studs like I do. The weight of this knife is 4.2 ounces. And we'll go ahead and show you how it cuts. The pocket clip is also stainless steel. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. And of course it has a space for a small lanyard. Being that it is a D2, it's obviously going to be extremely sharp, cut well, with no fraying. That's what I've noticed about the Civivis, the Wiis, the CJRB, Artisans. They all cut very sharp when they get here. And I'm sure you could put a little more edge on them if you wanted to, but there really isn't a need. I'll go ahead and show you on cutting some cardboard. Well, let's go ahead and do our piercing cuts first. As you can see there, it cuts smoothly and easily through the cardboard. And this is not a thin piece of cardboard. If you can tell, it's actually pretty difficult to bend. And then we'll show you how it cuts when cutting downward motion. So it'd be a good slicer, and you can pull back on it also, same way. Very nice knife overall, very sharp. Has a nice piercing cut to it. I like that part. It's not a standard drop point, even though it is technically a drop point. Has a very sharp point, kind of almost like a spear point. But they call it a drop point, so who am I to correct them? So this is the Civivi Governor. It's a Linerlock, of course. So if you'd like this knife, go ahead and comment down below and let us know. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You will not be disappointed. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do lots of giveaways, post tons of knife pics. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.